Hello, and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the best Rage Chisel Tip Broadheads 100 grain available in the market.
The Rage 2-blade broadhead with shock collar technology. The Rage 2-blade broadhead is a top choice for bow hunters looking for devastating accuracy and lethal performance. Featuring shock collar technology, this broadhead ensures near-perfect blade retention every time, eliminating the need for O-rings. The 2-cut diameter of the blades leaves gaping wound channels, leading to extreme blood loss and quick, ethical kills. One of the standout features of the Rage 2-blade broadhead is its large leading edge blade, which increases the momentum of the arrow for a more efficient hit and quicker kills. This broadhead is designed to conserve kinetic energy, allowing hunters to take down bigger game or use lower poundage bows with confidence.
We also can't overlook the testimonials from professional hunters like Jim and Eva Shockey, Melissa Bachman, Kurt Wells and Mike Carney, and Lee and Tiffany Lukoski, who swear by the accuracy and performance of Rage broadheads. The Rage 2-blade broadhead is made of durable silver stainless steel and aluminum, ensuring longevity and reliability in the field. With a 100 grain weight and unisex adult suggested users, this broadhead is suitable for a wide range of hunters. In conclusion, the Rage 2-blade broadhead with shock collar technology is a game-changer for bow hunters looking for unmatched accuracy and performance. Whether you're targeting a buck or a larger game, this broadhead is sure to satisfy your hunting hunger. That's it for our review of the best Rage Chisel Tip Broadheads 100 grain. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.